Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon. We got a special request here to do the Rolling Stones. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Let's do it. That's it. Turn up the volume. Childhood living is easy to do. The things you wanted, I bought them for you. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I can't let you slide through my hands. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Come here, Johnny. Say hello to the public. I watched you suffer a dull aching pain. Now you decided, show me the same. No sweeping exit, off stage line would make me feel bitter or treat you unkind. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Say hello to my fans. Say hello to my fans, Johnny. Let them see one of my homeboys from Brooklyn. They need to know we're the real McCoy, you know? They know. I know I dreamed you a sin and a lie. Oh, I have my freedom, but I don't have much time. Fate has been broken, tears must be cried. Let's do some living. Oh, after we die. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses will ride them someday. Come here, Johnny. Come on over here. Let them see how good looking you are, brother. Fucking handsome guys from Brooklyn. Frank Sinatra got nothing on us. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses, we'll ride them someday. I'm Frank Sinatra, that's Dean Martin, and I got Sammy Davis Jr. in the other room. He's sleeping on the couch.